Hello, everybody. I am Anurag Misra, and in this class, we shall study about Flamingo book of Standard 12 in English, and the name of the first chapter is The Last Lesson, and this chapter is written by Alphonse Daudet. This chapter mainly deals about importance of mother tongue and nationality. In this chapter, there are two main characters. One is a French teacher whose name is M. Hamel and his student French. In this story, it has been told that French is a free boy. He always he enjoys sunshine. He does not want to study French language. He does not want to go to a school regularly. So and after some circumstances, France was defeated by Prussia, which was led by Bismarck, and two districts of France was in control of Germany. And the order came from Berlin that German language will be taught in the two districts. So M. Hamel, who was a French teacher, had to leave forever, and it was his last class in the school. And French did not know this, and M. Hamel gave homework on participles, which French did not learn. So, on that very day, the last lesson of French, he did not want to go to a school because he had not learned lessons on participles. He wanted to enjoy sunshine, but his mood changed, and he he started for the school. Someone came, don't go in hurry, be relaxed, go smoothly. But he did not understand. When he reached the school, he saw that the school was quiet. Some villagers were sitting at the back benches. He was in the mood that he would be punished by M. Hamel, but he did not punish him, and he taught that day very nicely. And he was well dressed in Sunday outfittings because it was his last lesson. He delivered his lesson as usual, as he was teaching for 40 years. When French realized that this was his last lesson on French language, he became upset. Now, those books of on French language were now very precious for him. He began to respect M. Hamel. He was regretting why he did not learn his mother tongue so far. M. Hamel also cursed himself that if he had known this, he would have taught very nicely. And he told all the people, mother tongue is the key to become free. We should respect our mother tongue, and this is our sign and symbols that we are of this region. Mother tongue joins us. So this was all the story, and at last, when he was not able to speak anything, he wrote on the board, "Long live France." This shows that M. Hamel was a patriotic person. And listen, students, I have made a summary also. I have written this summary for your betterment. Here is the summary. The Last Lesson by Alphonse Daudet. I have written here the summary for you. Go through the summary. This is the summary. And I have given some gist of the lesson also in point wise, which will help you to form question and answer. And at last, I have given some questions, short answer question, 30 to 40 words, long answer questions. So after writing the summary, after writing the gist, kindly attempt the question answer. Any problem, contact me. Okay? Thank you.